If you are seeing the message, we noticed some unusual activity with the card linked to your PayPal account. It is likely due to PayPal's security measures to protect your account from potential fraud. To fix this issue, follow these steps. First, ensure you are logged into your PayPal account and verify your account information to confirm your identity. This may involve confirming your email address or phone number associated with your account. Next, review your recent transactions to identify any suspicious activity. Check for unfamiliar payments or transfers and take note of the transaction dates and amounts. If you find any unusual transactions, report them to PayPal immediately. You can do this by clicking on the transaction and selecting the Report Issue option. Provide as much detail as possible about the transaction, including the date and amount. PayPal may also require you to verify your credit or debit card information to ensure the card is valid and active. To do this, go to your PayPal account settings and select the Payment Methods option. From here you can update your card information and confirm your card details. In some cases, PayPal may temporarily limit your account until the issue is resolved. To lift the limitation, you will need to provide identification and proof of address. This is a standard security measure to protect your account and can be done by uploading the required documents to your PayPal account. To prevent this issue in the future, make sure to regularly review your account activity and keep your account information up to date. You should also ensure your password is strong and unique and avoid using public computers or unsecured networks to access your PayPal account. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the unusual activity issue with your PayPal account and prevent similar issues in the future. Remember to always prioritize your account security and monitor your account activity regularly to protect yourself from potential fraud.